this bot has generated $17 up to 1% gains every single day, basically in a way that's set it and forget it. So the point is a $22,000 profit gain over the span of 10 years versus a potential $350,000 profit gain. I gave this artificial intelligence tool, or AI tool, $230.84 to invest in crypto for me for 1 month. And just after 3 weeks of pressing start on the automation bot, what ended up happening is kind of insane. So officially, I've been playing around with investing with this bot, a bot that was created by this company called Alliance Digital Training. And let me just mention a little bit about this team who developed the bot, right? The team behind it is a group of advanced crypto traders who for years were trading very manually and wanted to discover a way to leverage AI so that they could free up their time so they weren't glued to their computers all day long. So basically they combined the power of artificial intelligence with a developer, and boom, this bot was born. And for years now, they've been using this bot, testing it, refining it, and using it to place trades. And now the incredible news is it has a track record of being one of the best crypto bots in the world. So when the team came to me with it, I'm like, okay, I got to put that name to the test. And so if you're excited to see this case study and these crazy results, type in AI money in the comments and let's go. So the first thing that I wanted to touch on is that definitely I had some concerns in the beginning because, you know, the term AI, it's just kind of thrown around the internet right now. It's a buzzword. Whenever you put AI in front or behind any keyword, it's like, oh, AI. And it becomes really popular in any search engine, right? So I'm just like, I'm not sure, because we hear things about AI being a complete success or a scam, or it's just very unknown to a lot of us right now. However, I've been crypto curious ever since 2018 when I bought my very first partial Bitcoin. And in 2018, I'm not even sure how much it cost, but that was the very first time I dipped my feet into the crypto world and bought Bitcoin and also Ethereum on, Coinbase, that very famous cryptocurrency exchange. Because my whole goal as a business owner is to take the profits that I'm making in the business and make that money grow for me, right? And this is the big part of building generational wealth. And the most important part is that it does not sit in a bank. Especially now that I'm a new mom and have a baby boy and we want more kids, I find it extremely important for me to, take my hard-earned money and profit and invest it so that my family could hit our goals of financial freedom within just a couple of years. So here's what happened. I had some Ethereum in my Coinbase account and I'm like, okay, it's already in my Coinbase account. It's really not doing anything. And the team at Alliance Digital Training was like, hey, let's set up some bots for you. I thought, okay, sure, why not? I really had no time to investigate the technology behind the bot or anything like that. I'm like, you know what? I trust and I like what I hear so far, so let's do it. And by the way, by no means is this video financial advice at all. This is just me documenting my experience with an AI bot that has traded my cryptocurrencies. And so as the bot got set up, I felt even more comfortable and at ease with this whole artificial intelligence trading crypto for me because the people behind the team are incredible. I mean, I had approximately 2 onboarding calls and it was exceptional. They have amazing support and customer service. And I'm like, okay, there's actually real humans behind them that actually cares to make sure that your bot is set up for maximum gains and that you have an idea of what the heck it's doing and what you should be doing. So basically, let me just take a moment to break down the technology behind the bot in simple human terms, right? And explain what it does and why it's so powerful and incredible. So basically, from the dashboard of the bot, you're able to see everything on that one platform. So what it does is it connects basically a cryptocurrency exchange with TradingView. So basically it's a connector and conduit between TradingView, which is a charting platform and social network used by 50 million traders and investors worldwide to spot opportunities across the global markets, including the cryptocurrency market. So this bot blends the power of artificial intelligence with that of a manual crypto trader. And so it takes signals from the TradingView website and connects it into the crypto exchange. And side note, if you're kind of a crypto beginner like I am, the definition of a crypto exchange is it functions similarly to online brokerage platforms, right? Providing you with the tools you need to buy and sell digital currencies and tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., etc. So basically the bot places these trades and opens the trades, and it has the ability to money manage as well, which means in simple terms that it has true control over every single trade that it does. And as I mentioned, the great thing about the bot is that it's a one-stop shop, right? You don't have to log in to your crypto exchange to understand what's going on, and then later log into TradingView to understand what's going on, right? It's all right there in the data and analytics that you need. And so the overall goal of this bot is to get you making 0.5% to 1% of gains every single day. Yes, I just said like up to 1% gains every single day, basically in a way that's set it and forget it. All right, so now I want to present to you the results. This is exactly 3 weeks from after I got started with this. Now, let me just go ahead and go on over to my computer to show you the bot itself and to show you the results. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and peep these results on my computer. Here is the bot in the dashboard, and it keeps track of everything, the open trades, but most importantly, I wanted to direct your attention to the profits up here. So in the past 3 weeks, this bot has generated $17.18. Now, if you do the math from what I originally started with the $230.84 from worth of Ethereum that we converted into USDT, that is a gain of about 7.44%. That is incredible within 3 weeks. There are not a lot of assets and investments in this world that will give you a 7.4% return on your investment in just 3 weeks. And here's the fun part, like this is actually on the low end. As I mentioned, this bot over time aims to get you up to 1% gains per day. That is crazy. I'm going to go over a calculation a little bit later in this video to show you the power of what 1% daily gains could do for you. But it is truly incredible. Like after we got this bot set up with the team, I literally just set it and forget it. And it just did the hard work and everything for me. So I'm definitely ecstatic about these results and plan to definitely invest a couple more thousands of dollars. Okay, so let me also break down and talk about like in simple terms, what the bot does. So the bot holds and trades in USDT. And I'll explain like the definition of what that means after I talk about another misconception that we have about those who are crypto curious and wanting to dip their toes into making money and passive income with crypto. And that's addressing the volatility within the crypto market. I mean, there's no doubt about it that the volatility can be pretty crazy. I mean, there's different types of seasons of market. Just 2 years ago, Bitcoin was worth $60,000 per coin. Now today it's worth about $29,000. And just that fluctuation in 2 years, it's like, what the heck? And the cool thing about this bot is that it thrives with the volatility, right? Because with volatility, there can be big opportunity. And by using the technology of artificial intelligence, the chances of losing a big amount of money or cryptocurrency decreases because this bot is 20 million jillion times smarter than us, and it doesn't get tired. It can stay at a computer all day and do these trades without failing. And that's where the bot comes in, and that's where the beauty comes in, and passive income as well. So what is USDT? As I mentioned, Tether USDT is the largest stablecoin by market cap. Crypto traders use stablecoins like Tether to make transfers between different cryptocurrencies or to move their investments into or out of fiat currencies. It's pegged to the US dollar, meaning it's unaffected by the constant value changes and the volatility of the crypto market. And the reason why traders use USDT is because of liquidity, or the ability to get in and out of the market very quickly. It can most easily and efficiently be converted from one asset to the other. It was actually recently reported in a 24-hour period that there is approximately $38 billion in trading volume. That is insane, making it the most liquid cryptocurrency even more than Bitcoin. And it's also one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. So the bot holds and trades with USDT, with Bitcoin, it trades Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies and coins that are out there. And by the way, if you're interested in learning way more about this, we have a special presentation coming up, which I am hosting with my good friend, Troy Harris. Now, Troy, he has been an artificial intelligence educator for 6 years. That's a long time. I didn't even know artificial intelligence was a thing 6 years ago. He has literally taught and helped hundreds of people like you and I navigate this passive income with crypto and using and leveraging this bot to generate up to 1% in daily gains. Now, we're hosting this presentation exclusively for you guys and the audience and subscribers of my channel. And on this free workshop, you're going to be learning how Troy is leveraging AI to generate gains passively with this bot, and how this AI bot automatically reinvest your gains to make you even more passive income, and the little known method to be rewarded hundreds of dollars and even thousands of dollars with cryptocurrencies for free. And all of this while you get paid straight to your digital wallet. So definitely click the link in the first description. You definitely want to join us on this live presentation and talk about this magical passive income strategy. And I just wanted to touch on another thing and emphasize a point, and that is about diversifying my portfolio, okay? So I have a traditional brokerage account with Fidelity, right? Because we're taught, you know, well, actually, we're not even taught that, but that's a whole nother video, right? But we're taught to, you know, invest in a brokerage account. Because the stock market has, 100 years and it's proven very little volatility, etc. So in this brokerage account, I have a mix of index funds, I have a mix of ETFs, mutual funds, dividend paying stocks, etc. And the money's in there, it feels slow. The growth feels slow. I mean, you have to wait a good chunk of time to really see a huge payback for your initial investment. Is it a way to build generational wealth? Absolutely. There's been hundreds and millions of people who have done it. However, let me talk about this example. So let's take a popular ETF called VTI, or the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Now, over the past 10 years, this ETF has returned an average of 12.52%. So this means if you would have invested $10,000 10 years ago, your investment now would have grown to about $32,518 today. So that's approximately a profit of $22,000. Not bad, right? Pretty impressive. And again, I'm emphasizing the value, aka a 10-year return on that one particular, the Vanguard Total Stock Market. Now let's take that same $10,000 and see what your gains would be per year if you're assuming a 1% daily gain by leveraging artificial intelligence with trading crypto. So come with me to my computer so we could show you this example live. Okay, so the initial investment is $10,000. We're assuming at best a 1% daily gain for 1 year, okay? So additional contributions, none, and daily 365, so calculate that. We are looking at an insane 300 and I can't even say that number, and it's a really $377,834 and 34. Like, that's a lot of money. That's how many X, I don't know how many X that is, but from $10,000, and this is just in 1 year. So not only are you like 20xing your investment, but you're like, negative 10xing the amount of time it takes you to get there, which is insane. And even if you assume a percentage of like way less than that, let's say like 0.25 daily. Okay, so let's calculate with it. That's still a huge amount of money. Like, even if you're assuming like a 0.25% daily gain, okay, that's so crazy from investing $10,000 using the same investment, okay? And so the point is a $22,000 profit gain over the span of 10 years versus a potential $350,000 profit gain within a year. Yes, this is definitely the best case scenario, but even if the bot is generating 0.25% daily or even 7.44% within 3 weeks, that is still miles ahead of what you can get with the traditional way. Now, I am not saying to go invest $10,000. There's definitely risk involved, and with any investment, on this planet, whether it's real estate, whether it's the stock market, whether it's the crypto market, whether it's investing in storage unit, there's always risk to lose it all, and you have to be comfortable with the amount that you initially invest. If you've made it to this point in this video, definitely come join us live on this presentation all about following the new money and how you can passively learn up to 1% daily leveraging artificial intelligence. Go ahead and click right here, and we'll see you on that presentation.